Press anywhere in the work screen to access the toolbar. Press this icon to expand the toolbar. Select the Flat Surface Creation icon. We are now on the Flat Surface Creation wizard. This tool allows us to create a flat surface from the GNSS receiver on a survey rod. Or, we can create the surface from the bucket tip using the left, center, or right. If desired, the name and the side length of the surface can be changed. If you want to use this surface for guidance, choose Yes. Lastly, we have the option to enter an elevation to define the surface. Or, we can enter an offset to be applied to the bucket position to define the surface elevation. When satisfied, hit Save. We now have a flat surface that is 100 meters square, with an elevation based off the center of the bucket, and we are getting guidance to construct our project. And that's it. Creating a flat surface for guidance in iDig is that simple.